Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 8, English version, Math, Exercise 4.1, Math number 10. If m plus 1 by m equals to 2, prove that m to the power 4 plus 1 by m to the power 4 equals to 2. We have to prove that this side equals to this side. So left hand side, let's write left hand side equals to m to the power 4 plus 1 by m to the power 4 equals to, somehow we have to change it to a quantity that has m plus 1 by m, so that we can put the value of m plus 1 by m. So how we can do that? This is like we can express it a square plus b square. How? M square whole square plus 1 by m square whole square. So this is a square plus b square, like, and we know a square plus b square equals to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Yes, there is another formula, a square plus b square equals to a minus b whole square plus 2ab. And we won't go for this one. Why? Because this is a minus, this is minus, a minus b, but we have got a plus b, m plus 1 by m, so we should use this. Okay, now a square plus b square, let's see, apply this formula. So it should be a plus b, here b means 1 by m square, and then whole square minus 2ab, 2a means m, b means 1 by m. Okay, now actually it should be m square, it should be m square, a means m square, b means 1 by m square. So simplify, when we simplify, these two gone, equals to, again let's apply formula a square plus b square, that same formula. So this is m plus 1 by m whole square minus 2, ab means m into 1 by m, and we have done just this part, m square plus 1 by m square. Now there is a whole square, so let's put second bracket. Why we put second bracket? Because there is a first bracket inside already. So whole square is whole square, minus 2 equals to, let's put the value m plus 1 by m, 2. So this is 2 square minus 2, simplify. So this is 2 square minus 2, there is a whole square minus 2 equals to 4 minus 2 whole square minus 2 equals to 4 minus 2 means 2, square minus 2 equals to 4 minus 2 equals to 2, and the right side was 2, so we can write equals to right hand side, and it's proved. Thank you everyone. If you have a question, please write it in the comment box and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.